cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this BMW X2, and we're going to do the wheel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the rim looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire rim. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire rim. If you can take it to a car wash, that's perfectly fine. If you can't, then you can use these two solutions in order to remove all the contaminants from the wheel. You can use baby shampoo mixed with distilled water, which creates your slip solution. And to help you remove all those hard contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or any coating, you can also use Tag solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. These two solutions will help remove as much as the contaminants as possible, because since the wheel is more exposed to all the dirt and road debris, it is going to be a little bit hard to clean everything. So, and also you're going to need a clean microfiber towel. So spray your solution onto the microfiber towel and clean off everything on the rim. Try to clean off the surrounding area too. And then once we're done with the prep, make sure that everything's dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tag down to the chrome panels. So when you have your kit, this is for the wheel chrome delete. So all the pieces are basically the same. So when it comes to the installation, everything's the same since the design doesn't change. So whatever piece you grab, you'll be fine with just aligning it and tightening it down and doing the install. Okay, so when you have your film, the film, when you align it, it aligns to this section of the wheel. So it doesn't align to this part here. This one is a different design here. So make sure when you have your pre-cut film, you align it here. So when you have your film, start by aligning it on the curved section here. And once you have it aligned, work your way to the other end, as so, making sure you're covering the chrome. Adjust as needed, just like that, and then work your way to the middle here. So lift carefully, follow the design, just make sure the chrome is being covered and you should be good. And then towards this section here, we just need to make sure we cover the chrome here. And just don't forget about this side too. And that's pretty much it. Just carefully start tacking everything down. Remove all of the air that's trapped underneath the film. Just grab your squeegee to squeegee everything. And then you'll go ahead and start sealing the edges with heat. You can use a heat gun or a hairdryer. Seal the edges and then you should be good. And the same steps that were done here, you repeat it for the remaining ones. So once we're done with the installation, the last thing to do is to use a heat device. You can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Apply heat throughout the entire rim. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. Take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the wheel chrome delete installation for the BMW X2. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also don't forget to check out our other kits for the BMW X2. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.